Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Freestyle Rocker is probably one of the most comfortable and convenient chairs you can bring with you on any outdoor adventure, whether it's camping, tailgating, or just relaxing in your backyard, offering a smooth rocking motion on any surface thanks to its unique spring-loaded mechanism and sturdy, yet lightweight, aluminum frame, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking portable comfort and durability. Number 5. Huskfirm Oversized Double Camping Chair. Enjoy ample space with this oversized chair, designed to comfortably seat 2 people. Its generous dimensions and padded design ensure a relaxing experience outdoors. Crafted with robust 600D Oxford fabric and a sturdy steel frame, this love seat offers exceptional support. It's built to hold up to 650 pounds, making it perfect for couples. Stay refreshed with 2 large cup holders and 2 stem glass holders. Additional back pockets keep your essentials close, while wide armrests allow for ultimate relaxation. Setting up and packing away is a breeze thanks to its all-in-one foldable design. It conveniently fits into the included carrying bag, making it easy to take anywhere. With anti-slip foot pads, this chair is suitable for various terrains like grass, sand, and mountains. It's your perfect companion for camping, beach trips, picnics, and backyard gatherings. What we like. If you're looking for a chair to share with a loved one, this oversized love seat is perfect. It comfortably seats 2 adults and boasts a robust 650 pounds weight capacity, ensuring stability and comfort for couples. With dual cup holders, you can both keep your drinks within easy reach, making it ideal for relaxing together at picnics, tailgating, or in your backyard. What people say. The chair rocks smoothly on surfaces like decks and patios. It's designed with a sturdy frame and comfortable seat. The folding mechanism is easy to use, making it portable. Number 4. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with a unique hammock-style seat. It offers both gentle rocking and soothing swinging, perfect for any outdoor setting. This chair folds down quickly into a compact bag, making it easy to carry on hikes, travels, or road trips. Setup is a breeze, requiring no tools. Enjoy extended sitting with its ergonomic fabric and wide padded seat. It's designed to support you comfortably for long hours outdoors. Weighing just under 11 pounds, it's easy to transport without sacrificing strength or support. It's built to last and handle rugged conditions. With a reinforced structure, it supports up to 300 pounds. This heavy-duty chair offers dependability without added bulk, ready for any outdoor activity. What we like. If you crave ultimate relaxation and a unique seating experience, this hammock chair is for you. Its swinging and rocking motion provides a soothing escape, perfect for unwinding by a campfire or enjoying park views. Its lightweight design and quick setup make it incredibly portable for any adventure, from hiking to game days. What people say. It is a great chair for sitting on the deck, it rocks smoothly and is comfortable. This chair is very sturdy and well made, it is also very comfortable to sit in. It folds up easily for storage and transport, and it is lightweight enough to carry around. Number 3. iClimb Padded Folding Rocking Chair. This chair folds compactly, making it smaller than traditional rocking chairs. It comes with a carry bag for easy transport and storage, fitting conveniently into most car trunks. Experience ultimate comfort with its fully padded soft-backed seat. Crafted from durable, wear-resistant fabric with a breathable mesh center, it ensures a comfortable seating experience. Enjoy a soothing rocking motion that allows you to relax and take in the surroundings. It's perfect for unwinding in your backyard or on your patio. Built with a sturdy, anti-rust powder-coated steel frame, it reliably supports up to 300 pounds. The generous seat dimensions offer ample space for comfortable seating. Setting up this chair is incredibly fast and simple. You can have it ready to use in seconds, with no tools required. Keep your essentials close with the built-in cup holder and arm pocket for your phone or keys. The armrests also make it easy to get in and out. This chair is your perfect companion for a wide range of activities, from camping and picnics to backyard gatherings and outdoor events. What we like. If comfort and convenience are your top priorities, consider this padded rocking chair. Its fully padded seat and back offer exceptional comfort for extended use, while the space-saving design makes it easy to transport and store. The added peace of mind from a lifetime warranty makes it a smart, long-term investment for your patio or camping trips. What people say. It is a comfortable chair that rocks on most surfaces, including decks and patios. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for camping or tailgating. It folds up compactly for storage and transport. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. Elevate your camping trips with the Master Cook Station from GCI Outdoor. This portable kitchen is packed with features, making it the perfect addition to your outdoor adventures. Safely prepare your meals on the heat-resistant tabletop, perfect for tailgating or campsite cooking. It's ideal for any multi-use occasion. Enjoy the comforts of home with convenient side tables, a soft shell sink, and storage. It even includes a telescoping pole for lantern attachment, keeping the fun going after dark. Thanks to its one-piece, no-hassle design and slim fold technology, setup is a breeze. It folds down compactly and features a built-in handle for easy transport. When folded, it boasts compact dimensions for effortless storage and transport. This makes it incredibly convenient for any outdoor excursion. What we like. If you're serious about camp cooking and organization, this is the ultimate outdoor kitchen station. It features a unique soft shell sink for easy cleanup and a heat-resistant tabletop perfect for your camp stove. The telescoping lantern pole ensures you have light for evening prep, making it ideal for tailgaters and serious campers who want a fully functional outdoor cooking setup. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and rocks smoothly on surfaces like decks and patios. It's a great portable chair that folds up easily for transport and storage. The sturdy construction and wide seat make it a reliable choice for outdoor use. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker XL with Side Table. Introducing the Freestyle Rocker XL with Side Table, your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. It's designed for ultimate relaxation, whether you're by the campfire or watching a game. Enjoy smooth rocking on any surface, making it easy to unwind wherever you go. This oversized chair offers exceptional comfort for all your outdoor activities. With a higher, broader backrest and an attached side table, it provides excellent support and convenience. You can enjoy more quality time outdoors with loved ones. Experience gentle rocking on any terrain thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. The durable steel frame supports up to 400 pounds, and the mesh backing ensures great airflow. Setting up and packing away is a breeze with its easy fold technology. You'll be ready to relax or pack up in no time. It boasts a 400 pounds weight capacity and a sturdy yet lightweight design. This chair is built for durability and comfort, weighing only 14.5 pounds. What we like. If you're looking for a comfortable and convenient place to relax outdoors, this oversized rocker is an excellent choice. Its patented spring-action rocking technology provides a smooth, gentle rock on any surface, and the integrated side table keeps your essentials close. It's perfect for enjoying backyard BBQs, sporting events, or simply unwinding by the campfire in style and comfort. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and rocks smoothly on the patio. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The powder-coated steel frame is durable and rust-resistant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.